welcome everyone to another Monday night Orange Practica at the Beat. We just had a great all-nighter. Thank you all those who showed up. And this weekend we look forward to visiting Helena, Montana. So we'll be there. Hopefully it'll be warm. So what was the theme for this month?
Paradas and Pasadas.
Paradas and Pasadas. Great. This is the last time you'll see it for a while. And for the leaders, what are some rules if we create an obstacle for our partner to step over? What do we want to do? Let's say if they're doing an ocho and they're pivoting, what does our foot do?
Touches their foot.
Yes, touches their foot. When?
While we're pivoting.
Ideally while they're pivoting, and again like gears in the night, it kind of touches and moves along. That's why I might bend my knee to let it go out further. I might change height. Okay. And my knee wants to be where?
Below the followers.
Right, equal to or lower, or at least further away, so my partner has plenty of space to do what?
Step over.
Right. So later on in the evening, we did what to this rule of the knee?
Okay.
Broke it. I actually shifted weight and did what?
Caught the follower's foot as she was coming over.
Right. And if they, the follower, wants to step over, can they?
Yeah.
Yes, you can't completely prevent or block them. As a general rule, leaders do a few standard paradas so they know what your system is, what your code is, before you break the rules. Because if you start doing this on the very first one, your partner has no frame of reference to how you do paradas and pasadas. Does that make sense? So develop a relationship with them.
Okay, followers, we did this exercise where we were practicing our around forward ochos. Our leaders were in this sugar bowl embrace, and we talked about how we can step around our leaders. And what were a few things that we were talking about as we step around them? Where are we aiming our forward step?
Around.
Around where? What was a good spot? Here?
No.
No.
Closer to feet.
Yeah, so
And they're
it's as if you're trying to draw a really curvy step onto the other side of your leader's foot, just outside the leader's foot, versus being too far away. Because if we step really long, but if we step too far away, then we end up being far with our hips, right? Okay.
When the follower does an ocho around us and their hip touches our hip, we call that what?
The
Rule of the hip. Is it possible when I'm a big oak tree?
No.
No. So I want to be more of what?
Willow.
Willow tree. Thank you. Narrow willow tree.
And then just a short thing, followers. When our leaders are breaking the rules of the step over and they block us and we get the joke. So here, well, what can we do? Do we try to step over anyway? No.
Stop.
Yeah, this is a good place to pause. Hopefully our leaders are doing it with the music. And then when they remove the knee, then you can make an embellishment if you like, and then take a long step around them. Yeah. However, followers, once they've done it a few times, it's very easy to start anticipating it, right? So the trick is to not expect it. Yeah, it's supposed to be a surprise.
Two additional add-ons, and again, you're welcome to ask questions. When we now have the embrace, which you did not have for the whole class, what can you add to enhance the surprise, the joke, the stopping feeling?
Compression.
Yeah, so if this is our normal hug, if I compress more, I can give my partner that idea that we're stopping. So here, no compression. I compressed. That's a really good way to enhance the stopping power of your lead, but it's not foolproof.
It's a nice way to like, we're pausing here.
If you're dancing with Houdini, good luck. Never escape every parada you throw at them. I've had it happen.
Okay.
Right. So the final thing is, the additional add-on is, if you get to this parada on the close side of the embrace, it's a very easy place to walk around.
And then followers, I'm doing the rooftop secret garden. Yeah, so I'm keeping my knee parallel to the floor, and I'm just making little circles. Yeah.
There are different ways to exit. Okay, so we'll do a little half-song demo.
¿Cuál fue la historia de ese la tener en la memoria? Escúchame nada más, porque al corazón otra vez sueño tener en mi triste soledad un cariño de ayer. Fue tan hondo aquel amor que no tuvimos, y ante el odio y el rencor no lo rompimos. Mas en un lado separado llegó la muerte, y una noche de dolor a mi puerta fue a llamar y a mi vida.